Ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of your reMarkable notebook? It's all about the right tools. And one of those tools is our Minimalist Agenda Template, a tool designed to complement the advanced technology of your reMarkable notebook. The reMarkable notebook, whether it's the reMarkable 2, reMarkable Pro, or reMarkable Paper Pro, is a marvel of innovation. It fuses the traditional feel of paper with the convenience of digital tools, creating a productivity powerhouse. But to truly harness its power, you need a template that matches its precision and simplicity. That's where our Minimalist Agenda Template shines. This template is all about clean, functional design. It's a standout among reMarkable templates, perfect for those who crave streamlined digital planning. Whether it's daily tasks, weekly goals, or monthly overviews, this template brings clarity and efficiency to your planning process. But what makes this Minimalist Agenda Template so special? Firstly, it works seamlessly with all reMarkable notebooks. It's been designed with the reMarkable user in mind, ensuring a smooth, intuitive experience. Secondly, the layout is clean and distraction-free. It helps you focus on what truly matters, enhancing your productivity and organization. Finally, it's versatile. Whether you're planning your day, your week, or your month, this template has you covered. But the benefits of using reMarkable templates go beyond the features. They transform your reMarkable notebook into an indispensable productivity tool. They help you stay organized and focused, leaving you with more time and energy to achieve your goals. Our Minimalist Agenda Template is more than just a planning tool. It's a game changer. It enhances your planning experience, simplifies your workflow, and helps you stay ahead of your schedule. It's the key to turning a great device into an essential productivity system. So why not get the most out of your reMarkable notebook? Our Minimalist Agenda Template is here to help you do just that. Start planning smarter today. Unlock the full potential of your reMarkable notebook.